In this video, I'm going to share with you the best editing apps for IG Reels. We are going to dive on into free and cheap resources for editing your IG Reels to make them amazing. Let's cue that intro. While the intro is playing, comment your Instagram handle below. And I'm curious, what do you want to learn about Instagram Reels? We've been having a ton of fun and success with them. So let's cue that intro. Hey everyone, my name is Rachel Pedersen. I'm a social media strategist and mom of 3. I'm super excited to talk about some of my favorite editing apps for Instagram Reels. The last one is my absolute favorite, though it's a little unconventional. You might not necessarily see it coming. The first is a cheap and sometimes even free option, and that is Inshot. I love Inshot because it has the ability to create videos, edit your photos, and ultimately speed things up. You have the ability to add soundtracks. There's a bunch of different capabilities inside of Inshot that are great, especially splicing videos, trimming videos, and putting together multiple videos into one awesome finished product for IG Reels. The second app or software that I love to use for editing videos is Screenflow. Now, this is an annual purchase. It's just under $200 US. What I love for it is until I started bringing in some video editing team to support me, I was able to record and edit my YouTube videos and even my podcasts inside of Screenflow. It is a desktop app, and if you have a PC, you're gonna wanna go with something like Camtasia. But I really like those desktop options because when you partner them with like Artlist.io for awesome royalty-free soundtracks, you have the ability to create some amazing YouTube videos, IG Reels, TikToks, and all of the above. I use it for almost everything. The third software that I personally don't use, but some of my friends swear by, is a program called Descript. And Descript is a desktop app that you can use to record your IG Reels, YouTube videos, and so many other things. What I do like about Descript is it can create captions for your videos. It also can remove filler words, silences. You can go ahead and edit your videos to make them really nice and tight, and even add some different effects inside of the program itself. So it's a great option for IG Reels. The fourth app that I recommend for IG Reels editing is iMovie. Some people love it. They love that it's free. They love that it's easy. It doesn't have as many capabilities, but it's a great free option that many people realize is actually a pretty darn robust option for editing any kind of videos. So for those, I would shoot my videos on my iPhone in the just normal camera app and then go ahead and upload them to my computer to edit them for IG Reels. The last option, my absolute favorite, it's totally free to you, is I actually like to record my IG Reels. This is my absolute favorite inside of TikTok. And then I use different software to remove the watermark, download those videos, and then upload them to IG Reels without the watermark. We've had no issues with this. Our videos reach 5, 6, and even 7 figures worth of views on IG Reels, even though they were recorded inside of TikTok. Check out these videos here because you can see that I literally have a tutorial on how to remove the watermarks and the workflow that I use to record my IG Reels using TikTok. But I wanna hear from you. Comment below and let me know, which of these are you using? Are there any that you would add to the list? And I also wanna know, what questions do you have about TikTok, Instagram, or social media marketing? Ask them below. And once in a while, I jump on into the comments and create tutorials or trainings based on what you want to learn. Subscribe to my channel if you love learning about marketing, social media, entrepreneurship, or mindset. And be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. I will catch you guys in the next one. Subscribe to my channel. But I'm curious from you.